Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat. Thanks for coming back and checking out this video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Ethereum. Why is it pumped? We're talking about Bitcoin miners and the shortage of GPUs. Just a whole bunch of things happening in the crypto space. Let's get into it right now. Let's blast that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. So then when I upload my new vids, you can get notified immediately. So Bitcoin is at 37 and it's going up and down, sideways. And look, there's people speculating that the reason why Ethereum is pumping, people are flipping out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency, and now Ethereum today hit an all-time high of 1400. If you guys remember back in 2017 when Ethereum did this, well, those days are here. This is uncharted territory from this point on. So Ethereum, we're going to talk about why this is all happening with Ethereum, and then we're going to get into some price predictions at the end as well. But let's get into some other topics just right now. Iran reportedly seizes 45,000 Bitcoin mining machines after closure of illegal operations. The monthly ASIC devices used to mine Bitcoin are said to have been consuming 95 megawatts per hour of electricity at a reduced rate. 95 megawatts, that is a load. Authorities in Iran have seized tens of thousands of Bitcoin machines they claim have been using illegally subsidized electricity from the state-run energy provider Tavanir. Earlier this month, Iran authorities shut down 1,620 illegal cryptocurrency mining farms said to be collectively used 250 megawatts of electricity over the past 18 months per different news sources. So if you guys don't know, Iran is actually allowing state-run farms, that is, not illegal farms, Bitcoin. So they actually, even who would have thought, right? Iran is contributing to the Bitcoin ecosystem. All right, they just don't like illegal miners. Okay, only state-run Bitcoin mining farms. Wow. So as you know, with Ethereum pumping like crazy, it is extremely profitable right now if you're a miner. But the problem is you can't get any GPUs. So we're talking GPU miners here, right? There's graphics cards that go into your PC. Well, you can use those graphics cards to mine Ethereum. And because there's literally a shortage of them, obviously because of Ethereum is now at all-time high of 1400, it's very profitable to just run these GPUs out of your home, and by the time you pay your electricity costs, it's still going to be profitable. So NVIDIA is one of the biggest GPU producers, as well as AMD, but NVIDIA is like the best of them. NVIDIA may restart production of crypto mining GPUs if demand is sufficient. I think the demand is sufficient. No. Chip making giant NVIDIA could potentially restart reproduction of dedicated graphics processing units or GPUs for cryptocurrency miners, according to Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. Currently, NVIDIA's RTX 300 series GPUs are popular with miners, though Crest said, "We don't believe mining demand is a big part of our business today." They don't believe it. Well, I don't know. Anyway, right now you can't get any. You can't. Well, you can, but they're going to pay basically double or triple the price of these cards just to buy them, because the demand is outstripping the supply, and and she says that we don't believe is a big part of our business today. Okay. Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record high amid miner revenue surge. So, I mean, Bitcoin's mining difficulty has reached a record high above 20.6 trillion as more people are mining at larger scale than ever before, thanks to the ballooning mining revenue and Bitcoin's parabolic price rally. A new difficulty also on high is no surprise considering mining revenue has tripled in recent months, said Edward Evanson, business development leads at Brains mining software company, which recently acquired full ownership of leading slush pool after being majority stakers since 2016. So, this is like, I mean, even though there's so many miners that have come on, it's still profitable. So basically, like Bitcoin, it's gone from like 20 grand at the end of the year to 20 grand, 30 grand, now 40 grand, 42 grand high. It's still profitable, even though there's thousands of more machines coming online. But if you try to get a machine from Bitmain, these Antminer T19s or the S19, these are like pretty much the top of the line machines at the moment. This S19 Pro, it mines 110 terahash per second, so they're a pretty decent kit. However, if you want to buy one, it's only 2,767. However, you're gonna have to wait till the end of August. So basically 6 months from now. That's how much demand there is, and Bitmain can't produce these things quick enough. So yeah, Grayscale adds 18x more Bitcoin mined supply in one day. Asset manager Grayscale added 18 times more Bitcoin BTC than miners added to the supply in just one day on January the 18th. As various data sources confirm, Grayscale, which remains the biggest institutional buyer in Bitcoin space, purchased a total of 16,244 BTC or 607 million on Monday. Wow. BTC buys accelerate again. The giant sum of some of the biggest on record and order of magnitude above what even Grayscale was attempting just last week. The company previously saw daily buys but stopped over the holiday period and reduced its allocations in the first week of the new year. Monday's activities bring a total assets under management to almost 23 billion. So they are gobbling up the supply big time. Miners cannot even produce them quick enough. This is basically the reserves. Okay, so the reserves are going down. These are the reserves on the exchanges. The reserves are going down and the price is going up. So clearly, price and supply and demand. Okay, supply is getting starved. Okay, 3 reasons why Ethereum has been rising faster than BTC in 2021. There are 3 main reasons why ETH has outpaced BTC throughout the past several days. The factors are Ethereum's accelerating growth, the improving sentiment around DeFi, and BTC's current period of relatively low volatility. Ethereum is seeing rapid growth fueled by DeFi sentiment. DeFi tokens have been surging rapidly as of late, led by majors such as Aave and SushiSwap, as Cointelegraph reported. The rally of DeFi tokens is partly fueled by the fast-growing total value locked of DeFi market, which estimates the amount to be capital deployed to DeFi protocols. Over 24 billion, there is more capital locked across DeFi protocols than ever before, which signals massive demand. This is crucial for the momentum of Ethereum and consistently its Ether token. Because some of these are more apps and tokens rely on the network. The rising number of users is shown by the massive uptick in Ethereum gas fees. Although high transaction fees are not ideal, Jacob Frednick, a partner of DeFi Alliance, said it was a positive factor because it shows the willingness of users to pay, indicating genuine demand. Yeah, people are paying those $50, $80, $100, $300 gas fees to get their transactions through. This article on Cointelegraph flipped. Ethereum now processes 28% more transactions than Bitcoin. Daily volume of transactions on Ethereum is now 28% greater than on Bitcoin, according to crypto analytics firm Messari. On January the 19th, Messari's Ryan Wilkinson's tweeted that Ethereum's daily transaction volume is going parabolic. A chart indicating that Ethereum and Ethereum-powered stablecoins have processed 12.3 billion in transactions over the last 24 hours, dwarfing Bitcoin's and Omnibase USDT's 9.3 billion. So this is basically the comparison here, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. And that's obviously DeFi is feeling this. There's no doubt about that. So yeah, this is really, look, Ethereum is flipped it with the transactions, but as in, we talked, you've heard it before, if you've been in the crypto space for a long time, they talk about the flippening, and that was basically BTC. If we go to the chart here, the flippening, it was big news back in 2017, 2018, but it never happened. And what they mean is this. Okay, so Ethereum would go to number 1 and Bitcoin to number 2 based on the market cap, and that's what they mean by the flippening. But it never happened in 2017, 2018. And Bitcoin's still, say, 700 billion, Ethereum's 161 billion, so still a long ways to go. So here's some predictions by some, these are supposed to be credible sources of Ethereum in 2021 moving forward. Simon Dedick, co-founder of BlockFi, estimates around $800. Okay, so maybe you should get another job because it's already $1,400. James Torrendo, managing partner of Blocktown Capital, believes 9,000 possibility. Well, I think he's probably been spoken something, but at least he's not off the mark, not like our friend here Simon that predicted 800. Wall investor suggested a precise value of 872. A precise value, well, they're off even if they're precise. Digitalcoinprice.com indicated 1,493 range in 1 year. Well, it's already 1,400, so it's just the beginning of the year. I don't think that's going to happen. And Bloomberg's Mike McGlone hints at a lower range of 500 to 700. Where do these guys got? They work in these corporate companies, and they get paid, I'm assuming quite a lot of money, and they're giving predictions like this. Anyway, so that's your Ethereum news, your Bitcoin news. Let me know your thoughts about Ethereum. Where do you think it's going to go this year? Okay. Now, looking at this, I think that Ethereum can go in the price range of 4,000 and higher this year. Okay, we're at 1,400 already. So I'm saying about 4,000, give or take. But I'm swinging towards a little bit higher than 4,000. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Is this way under what you think? Do you think it can go to 9,000? Do you think it can go more? Let me know your comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 3,000. Love you all, and I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.